Alright, so I'm going to put the heater on. And there's the heater coming on now. So we'll go back in the house and it'll take about 3 minutes or so for the aircon to actually warm the heater element up enough. It's showing 8 degrees at the moment. I've got it set to 24 degrees. It's a centigrade. So let's go inside and see what difference that's made. I just really want to put a bit of load on the system, because it's no good having the sunshine and you not actually pull anything in. So as you can still see, it's on minus, which means that it's pulling some into the battery bank rather than kicking any out. Or I should say it's pulling it into the bank and then it's using that bank to keep the charge on 0. So the aircon won't have kicked in yet, but what we'll do, I reckon we'll be pulling in about 3 kilowatts this morning. So let's find, there's the electric radiator. Let's put that on. Right, we'll just have that on number 5 just to start with. So that's a 2 kilowatt oil filled radiator. And that should be pulling out now from the bank. Oh no, you can see that we're still in minus. Ah right, hang on. The aircon might have just kicked in now. So we're still minus there. So let's go out to the garage and just see what actually the panels are pulling in then. So as you can see there, the red light is on, meaning we're not on, we're off grid. So let's just get this on so we can see the display. Okay, so the display's on now. So let's see what we're pulling in. So on that inverter we're pulling in 1.17 kilowatts, and on this inverter we're pulling in 1.1 kilowatts. So that's a combined 2.2 kilowatts at the moment. It will 2.2 kilowatts, yeah. It will probably go up from that as we go through the morning. And it depends as well if the actual cloud thins out. Just for reference, that's the battery bank all installed now. So yeah, let's just go back in and see what the meter's actually reading. So the meter is reading unity basically. Interesting, the voltage has dropped to 53.5. I did have it, when I noted it down an hour ago, as 54.1. So to provide that 2 kilowatts to the living room radiator. The aircon outside is about 750 watts. The washing machine on a run cycle will be about 500 watts, something like that. So we must be using about 3 kilowatts now. And as you see, then it jumped in the amperage, so it may be balancing out now the aircon demands and the demands that it's actually pulling in solar. So my battery is about to run out, so I'm just going to stop this vid here. But you can see it's practically running at unity at the moment. It keeps pulling it back down to 0, which is really good.